Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my Traffic Sensation review. What Traffic Sensation is an AI-based software that allows you to create videos that you can post on YouTube without having to be on camera. And I'm going to give you an overview demo of Traffic Sensation. And we're in the members area. In order to create a video, you go up here to where it says create a new campaign. So I'm going to push that. Then you need to name your campaign. So I'm going to call it Dog Training Basics. I'm going to create it from the URL. I'm going to go over here to my dogtrainingusa.net channel and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to post that in here. I'm going to push create from scratch. And then I'm going to go and get a PLR article on dog training basics. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to post it in here. Paste it right here. And then I'm going to push next. Dog training basics. Okay. Then you have to go over here and you need to push this edit button because you got edit, delete, or duplicate. So I'm going to push this edit button. Then you need to select a template. So I'm just going to select this first one, but you can preview these if you want. I'll show you what these look like. But I'm just going to choose this first one. Push continue. And then you have these options here. Now you can view the story, which is how the software broke it down into slides. There are quite a number of slides. And then you got images over here, but you don't want to use this image here, or you can search from web. What you want to do is you want to go back. You want to go down here to media. And you want to push media. And then you want to search for images. Now this is dog training, so I'm going to search for dog training. Wait for it to load. And then all you got to do is simply take an image, go over here, and drag it over here. Now you want to make sure it's in the middle, and then you set it to the background. Okay? And then you choose the next slide. Now you can adjust the time that these slides are on here. You can adjust the time. I wanted to point that out, but for demo purposes, I'm not going to mess with that. So you can just find another slide that looks appropriate, and then you set as background. And if you're not happy with that slide, you can choose a different one, like this one here. I like that better. So then you go to the next slide, and you just find another, this one here. This is background. Oops, you got to make sure it's highlighted. I've done that a couple times. Okay, and then the next slide. Make sure it's in the center. Set as background. Next slide. This one here. Whoops, I didn't change the slide. That's my bad. This one here. Says background. Make sure you change to the next slide. Just take this one here. Set as background. And we're on this slide here. Let's take this one, put it up here. Set as background. I don't really like that one, so we'll take this one here. Set it as background. Oops, I set it as background. Go here. So we'll just take this one here. Set as background. This one here. Set as background. This one here. Make sure it's in the middle. Set as background. just take, see, we're running out of slides. We might have to repeat because I got quite a few slides on this article here. Now you can trim this down if you want. That's what you'll do in the story section, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, where is we want? We're right here. So I might have to repeat these. You can also use a different keyword if you want. So I might do that. Highlight that, set as background. We'll go, instead of dog training, we'll go dogs. Grab some dog pictures and put them in here, like this one here. Go to the next slide. It's really an easy program to use. It's great for these type of tips, for tip articles like the dog training basics. It's great for that, and those are great for engagement. It'll grow your YouTube channel. So this program really is good for that. I think it looks like a pretty good program as far as that goes, is for doing that kind of marketing. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you can do product reviews. So anyway, let's take this one here, in the middle, make sure it's highlighted, set as background. This one here, scroll down, go into here, says background. Now this is just for demo purposes. As if I was going to use this article for real, I would take more time and edit some of the text and maybe make it a little shorter. So I'm going to take this one here, put it in the middle, go up here, set as background. And then, okay, it looks like all the slides are full. Now you want to go back. Go back. And then we want to select transitions. Now you can do that from over here too. These are transitions. So what we're looking for is transitions. Transitions right here. Now you can preview these. It takes it a minute to run here. There. That's what the transition is going to look like. We'll just preview this one. So you can see the difference. I'm going to use this one. It's called cross wrap. So anyway, and then we're going to go back. And then the last slide here, we want to add a call to action. So what I'm going to do is put on here, I think it's elements. We want them to subscribe because we're trying to grow our YouTube channel. You can make it bigger. Position it approximately where you want it. And you want it to be on the last slide. Now, like I said, you can edit the length of these. So anyway, I'm going to show you the other features that it has. I'm not going to use any of them in this, but you got the elements, you got the story, elements. It gives you social media, gifts, subscribe, lower thirds. And then you got branding. This is where you can add your logo. I'm not going to add a logo on here. Intro, outro, watermark. So I'm not going to add it on here. Let's see, brand typography. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think it's the style of text. That's what it is. It's the style of text. You can change the style of text if you don't like it, and you can also change the colors. So anyway, I guess that's what that is. Okay, and then the media. Now you can add videos on here too. You can add videos in here. So I just want you to be aware of that. You can search for videos. I'll just dog training. Not really showing me any dog training on here that I can. Oh, yeah, there are. You can preview them. You got these different options here. You got full screen, download, mute, playback speed, picture in a picture. So anyway, you can preview it. It looks kind of small, I understand that, but we are on YouTube, and but it does have that option where you can preview it. So anyway, you got the option to do video or pictures. And they do come from Pixabay, and they're on some free networks on the internet. So anyway, we're on media, and then transitions, which we already looked at. You got these different transitions. Go back. And then you can add music. Now, I'm not going to add any music. I don't want any copyright strikes. You can also upload your own music. I do recommend that you use YouTube's free audio source to get your music from, because they got some copy-free music on there, and I recommend that you use that rather than taking a chance on getting a copyright strike. I just want you to be aware of that. But you can set the volume. You can adjust the volume. I'm not going to add any music or anything like that on here because I don't want to get a copyright strike on my YouTube channel. So, and then you got voiceover. Now, this does have text-to-speech in it. You know, TTS engine, poly. There's two options there. Select a voice, not available. So I guess we got poly, and then we select a voice. So you can add text-to-speech. I'm not going to add any text-to-speech or anything like that, but you can do it. I can maybe, let's see if it'll give me a sample of it. Well, anyway, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. Or you can record your own. You can record your own. I'm not going to add any music or any voiceover on here. I'm just showing you how the program works, giving you a demonstration, so then you can decide whether it's something that you're interested in. Now, when you're done with it, you have an option to preview it, which it does take quite a long time to render. I just want you to be aware of that. Or you can finish it. So I'm just going to go ahead and push finish. And in order to see the final product or project, we're going to have to fade out and come back when it's done. So I'm going to come back when it's done, and it'll be in my campaign section. So I'm going to go back to the campaign section. The video is queued for render. So there again, I'm going to go ahead and fade out, and then I'll come back when it's done and play the final product of the video that I created, and then I'll go through the rest of the members area. So I'm going to fade out now, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and the video is done rendering now, and you can see where it says video here now. So you got that option. This is where you're going to preview it at. You can edit the video. You can delete the video, you can duplicate the video, or you can download the video. So in order to look at the video, you just push this video tab. And this is what the video looks like. Now, I would edit this if I was going to use it. I just want you to be aware of that because some of the sentences are kind of long, and you wouldn't want them to be too long because they won't have a chance to read it. That's the thing. But I just wanted to show you this. This is just for demo purposes, so I want you to understand that. And I'll show you what I would do to make it so it looks more appealing if you're going to use these for your own personal channel, you know, tip videos and stuff like that, how-to videos, stuff like that. This is great for that. I'm even thinking about getting this program myself. I've got review access, and I think I'm going to purchase this program myself because it really does come in handy for my dogtrainingusa.net YouTube channel if you want to go check it out. I make sales on there every day. I did some dog crate reviews. You want to go check it out. They're Amazon sales, so they're not big commissions, but so we'll just let this play through, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But it does work really nice, I think. It's got to take a little time to add the images and stuff like that. But if I scroll back here, see if I can. There we go. If I can see what I'm talking about here. See, I don't think that the sentences should be any longer than that, so they have time to read it. I realize you can adjust the length of the slides, but I just took a PLR article, pasted it in there, and went with it, just for demo purposes. But I think if you took a little bit more time, you could make some really nice how-to videos and tip videos. Now you see, I would edit this, and you can do that. After the video is rendered, you can edit these. So you just go up to this edit section, and you just choose a transition, and you want to go to the story section. Now, let's just take wow. I'm going to copy that because it's in the wrong spot, really. If I can get this to be right here. Maybe I do want to take the whole thing. You want to copy that. And then we want to go to this slide here because that's where it's at. And you want to highlight this. And then you just want to take and paste that in there. Okay, that's how you do that. That's how you edit the text. Now, we're going to have to get that wow out of there because it's in there twice. So we'll have to go to here. And then we'll just take and get rid of all that. And that's how you do that. And you can make this look more appealing by doing that. So I wanted to show you that. So anyway, that's how you make a video. So I wanted to show you that. So then you got the next section is automation. And then you can create an automation campaign by pushing this button here. And you can do it from a WordPress blog URL, you name the campaign, or you can do it from an RSS feed. Now this video is already long enough as it is, so I'm not going to show you that part, but I want you to be aware that you can do that. And then you got My Music. Now this is music that you upload. There again, you can download music from YouTube that's copy protection free. You don't have to worry about copyright strikes. So that's what I would do, and you can download them. So I would go to YouTube, look at their section where you can download music and preview it, and then download it on your computer, then upload it here so you can put it inside the video. And then you can have the thumbnail creator. This is where you can create a thumbnail. Got these different options down here. There again, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time doing this because the video is already going to be long enough as it is. And here's where you can get clients. You can add a new client. Now that might be part of an upgrade, I'm not sure. And here's elements. You can add a new element. Here's the traffic edition. I'm pretty sure these are upgrades. Yeah, I'm going to have to upgrade or get that. The SEO edition, that's an upgrade. And then you can log out. Well, anyway, that is the basics behind TrafficSensation. So if it looks like something that you're interested in, or you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to TrafficSensation and my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.